Hello everyone and welcome back to the 2-minute video series on FAQ apps. In the last video we have seen on how to create a knowledge base, and before that we have seen how to create an FAQ file. In this video series we are going to see how we can use the knowledge base that we have created within a conversation. So I am already logged in into the Bot Studio. If you do not have a Bot Studio account, please go to employeereach.com and sign up now, or just request for a demo through the meeting app that we have deployed on the site. Once you're logged in, just go to Bot Studio My Conversations and you'll be able to see all the default conversations that are available within your account. Just click on the default FAQ. Now here you'll be able to see the different nodes that are already been configured for making your FAQ bot available. Now let me just quickly edit this particular FAQ node. So this is the main node for the knowledge base. So you can see the node type is basically mentioned as knowledge base. When the node type is knowledge base, you'll be able to select the knowledge base for this particular this thing. So let's say if I just do this, and you'll be able to see that I have already created an FAQ knowledge base. So I can select that. I can put in a marker. So marker is nothing but will be able to use within the analytics, which will identify if an FAQ gets executed or not. Okay. Now with this, what we also have is, one is a successful execution of FAQ, and second is, let's say the bot is not able to understand what the customer is trying to say. Now once a retry count is hit, it basically seamlessly transfers it back to the human agent. If the no human agents are available, then basically it starts collecting the customer information like name, email, phone number, and then it pushes back to the CRM. Now using the tryout account, I can actually try this particular bot. Right now what we are going to do is we are going to try out a successful scenario, and in the next video we are going to talk about how do you deploy this particular thing and how do you integrate. So while the integration video, we'll be also seeing the next use case where if there are no agents available, how the bot collects the customer information and then pushes it back to the CRM. Now let's take a look at the successful scenario. As it is a travel related FAQ that we have trained to the bot, I'm going to ask a question about booking of group travel. Now it's going to take a look at from an FAQ perspective, and it has basically found an FAQ which is talking about booking of group travel. Now you can see that, okay, within the FAQ answer, what it has done, it has provided the question that is from the Excel file that we have trained, that is the question out here. Similarly, it has taken the portion of the answer and displayed out here. So depending on number of hits that it gets from the FAQ answer perspective, the amount of answer that is shown is vary. Now if I, as a customer, if I click this particular question, as I have selected use overlay, it's now showing me the detailed answer within the overlay of the chat widget itself, and this is how the customer will be able to see and take a look at the question and the answer for the particular FAQ. Now in the next video, as I said, we are going to take a look at the deployment and integration portion of the FAQ with different ecosystems like Freshdesk, Zendesk, Zoho, HubSpot, Salesforce, and even if you want, you can integrate your own CRM system out here. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe to Amplify Reach video series to be up to date. Thanks again.